This is a unboxing video for Endeavor Age of Sail. This is the new version of Endeavor with some slight changes to the rules and updated graphics and stuff that came off Kickstarter this year. I believe it'll also be available in retail, but not with all the upgraded components. So let's take a look. This is my first time seeing what's inside, so we'll be seeing this together. It is a 2 to 5 player game, and it says 60 minutes, but I think from my days of playing Endeavor, I remember a little bit more than 60 minutes. So one thing you'll first notice, and you can see the reflections, is the UV spot treatment. It does look pretty cool and was one of the upgrades from the base game. One of the other cool things is they included these inserts. So these are custom made inserts. So you don't have to go out and purchase inserts. I don't know if these will be included in the retail version of the game, but they would be smart to do that because, or at least maybe have two versions of retail. It's got a cool cover from Game Trays, but this helps with the setup of the game and the storage. So you have your market set up, and then each player has its own game tray. They came with all of the markers, which I thought were supposed to be printed, but I guess they were not, but they did have these ones printed. They had all these upgraded tokens, which all had printing on them, and even the cool looking keys. The Endeavor Age of Sail bag. The different companies, I guess. I forget exactly. I don't remember all the Endeavor rules. And then I believe it is even the same graphics as the original one, the tokens here. And I guess updated punch board and stuff. The quality of this looks pretty good. Let's see. I guess a scoring card, they maybe could have done a little bit better job on that. Mini expansion charter companies. Oh yeah, that's what that is, the 6 charter company mini expansion. So I don't exactly remember them. And then wow, these are pretty nice. Look at that. That's a huge recessed board. It's as big as the box. It's got recessed for your I forget, your counters here, your different tokens, and recesses for your buildings. That is really cool. Although it possibly could have been a little bit thicker cardboard, because you can see it is warping a little bit. I'm gonna have to put some silica gel in here and see how it is. And oh, they already have it. Look at that. Thought of that already. And we have our board, which I'm not going to be able to fold out and show you the whole board, but we can take a quick look at part of it. So you can see the updated graphics are done pretty well on this. And we have, okay, these are the printed tokens. They added printing to each of these wooden tokens, which is a cool upgrade to the Deluxe version. They did little miniature cannons and stuff as part of the Kickstarter. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like, they're really well done. There's I think that's the first player token, and then the cannons in there. Let me take one out. Take it out of the bag here and then show you. Look at that. And score pad. Different, it's like quests or something. Oh, here's the first player token, a miniature first player token for the upgraded version, and all the cards, along with the insert in the bottom for storing everything. So I think this game looks really cool. Hopefully it lives up to its 60 minutes. I seem to remember it was more of a 90-minute game before, so we'll see. But there you have it, Endeavor Age of Sail. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like.